What's up? It's J2O, keeping it real FOREX King. So today for this podcast episode, this new episode 28, let's talk about mentorship for the fourth quarter. So this year been crazy. We all can agree. And if you're lost your job or if you're looking to make extra income, you must learn how to find a craft that you're good at or want to be good at. You need to learn how to either invest or make a product and be able to sell the product. So products or services is the way to go for 2020. Because as you can see right now, many people lost jobs depending what industry you're in. So you have to figure out what could survive a disaster or outbreak like coronavirus. What skills or career you could do that can help you survive these times. Right now, if you're an investor, you can always make money depending what you're investing in. And if you sell a product that's, useful in society for the masses of people, then you can always make money. So right now, for all you guys looking to invest and learn how to trade, I suggest learning how to trade Forex. It's the biggest market in the world. Trillions of dollars get traded on a daily basis. You can start with little capital and make big capital, but that's due to risk management. If you use higher risk, you could do that. But if you don't want to do high risk, which I advise many new people to don't, I suggest having big capital and just trading small lot size and using small risks to make good returns. Because if you're not consistent as a trader, you won't be consistent in your profits. And if you don't have good risk management, um, you won't be able to grow your account or maximize on these profits because you'd be losing more than you win, or when you do lose, you might lose too much and blow your account. So that's why I suggest mentorship. Find a mentor. There's many ways. You can go on my YouTube channel called J2O Forex Journey, check out some videos, and you can learn a little bit about trading. I have some videos that can help some beginners out how to trade. I suggest, having a schedule because when the market opens up, there's different sessions you can trade. Find what works for you. And you don't really have to trade every day. You don't need to trade every minute. You could just set maybe an hour or two and focus an hour or two or three in a market and just focus on certain entry points and exits and do rinse and repeat until you get better. So you just got to learn how to make time out of your day, whichever works for you, whatever session or whatever your mindset. Because in trading like Forex, you could be a scalper or a swing trader. Swing trader, you could be lazy, hold trades longer. If you know the overall trend, you could bypass the noise. But if you're a scalper, you know when you're right, you know when you're wrong, you're in and out. It is what it is. You can make money fast that way. But it all depends on your style and whatever your game plan is in trading. But for mentorship, you should look for a mentor that trades in the market, especially in this time of coronavirus, because the market is pretty much different than last year by far. So you need to find someone that's an active trader, someone that understands risk management, and someone that could see your chart analysis or your thought process and probably help give you advice to improve your craft or teach you things that you may not know. So definitely find an active investor and also someone that is actively trading, not just. I want to just advise you to find someone that just trades Forex. You should find someone that, depending on what you do, what you want, whether stocks, binary options, whatever, you should try to find an overall investor. Because sometimes you might realize that maybe Forex might not be for you. Maybe something else might be for you. Maybe stocks, maybe options might be for you. Or maybe binary options or whatever the case is. So different ways to get into investing or real estate. You should definitely have a broad portfolio of potential skills when you look for a mentor, because sometimes he could be real and be like, yo, this ain't for you. Because whatever you do, you gotta like kind of go all in, because it does take effort. You might suck in the beginning, it happens, but you gotta be able to put the time. And when you want to focus on a craft, you should focus on one at a time so you can learn to like master it, and then you should move on to the next after that. Because Forex, like once you like master it, even though you master Forex, you can still not be profitable. Because sometimes, due to your strategy or your method of trading, you can be trading like crazy market conditions where the way you trade will result in losses. Doesn't mean like your trading style doesn't work. It just means the market conditions of what you're doing in trading is not working for you. But that's a little advanced topic right there. But back to mentorship, it's cool you find someone locally, but if not, you should find someone that is available to make some time to help you trade, whether it's Zoom calls or telegrams where they send out like trade alerts or um, chart analysis, so you kind of like learn and like analyze and like grow as a trader. So those are my tips for all you new people out there or people who are not new who want to understand about mentorship. Mentorship really is not free in terms of like, sure, some people might be able to mentor you for free, but some mentors like they busy, so you're paying for their time. So don't be scared to like invest into mentorship. Invest paying someone for their time, because it took them time to like master and develop these skills. So you can't be mad at them if they charging you for the time, because they put that time in. Everything in life is all about time. So they use the time to develop a skill, to cut the learning curve for you. Then you shouldn't be blown to pay to get a shortcut in the learning curve and continue help. So that's it, y'all. You already know J2O. We out here. Peace.